So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you about 6 online typing jobs you can do from home to make money. If you're new to this channel, my name is Chinyere. And on this channel, I talk about everything about earning online and making money online, either through remote job, visa sponsorship jobs, digital marketing, aka affiliate marketing, or other interesting opportunities that I see. I come here to share everything with you without cap. So if you're interested in any of this topic or this topic sound interesting to you, make sure to hit on the subscribe button if you've not and join our growing community of online entrepreneurs and remote workers. So first, let's talk about transcription. And you probably would have heard this on multiple places. When we are talking about transcription, this is simply you converting audio or video to text. I know that there are so many difficult aspects of transcription, like listening and accuracy. But in simple terms, this is what transcription is all about. So if you've been looking for where to find transcription jobs or typing jobs, then this video is definitely for you. If you're also confused or struggling to find companies that are currently hiring, or you don't know what the requirements will be or the amount you're going to earn, then this video is definitely for you. You want to stick around to the very end because I have covered everything that you need to know, where to find the job, how much you would earn, and how to apply immediately. These companies hire complete beginners. In fact, most of these companies are on the list of companies that are currently hiring worldwide. So you do not need to be an expert. You do not need to be like outside Africa. This company would hire you no matter the location where you are and with your level of experience. Most of these companies hire complete beginners. In fact, most companies on this list hire from every part of the world and they hire complete beginners. But there are also some companies or transcription jobs on this list that require people from specific part or specific location. However, this is not a problem. Some of these jobs also require some level of experience, but I can assure you that the ratio of those companies that need people who have some sort of experience and people from specific location compared to the companies that hire beginner worldwide is 1 to 5. I can also assure you that these typing jobs are beginner friendly and I've put together the best transcription job / companies that you would be surprised to get started with. The first website we'll be checking out is Way with Word website. Way with Word is looking to get highly proficient English first language speakers. They are looking for people who are from South Africa, the United Kingdom, countries in the European Union, the United States. They are looking for people from Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Malaysia, Singapore, and Hong Kong. Now, the good thing about this website is you can become a freelancer or you can go into full-time. Your earning range from this site is between $0.40 to $1.20 per audio minute based on project turnaround. Now, irrespective of your account, they're going to pay you to PayPal at the end of every month. Now, for you to get to this place, all you have to do is scroll to the very end under company, click on Become a Transcriber. And once you hit on Become a Transcriber, you go ahead to fill in all the necessary information and details, and they'll reach out to you if you qualify. Now, the next website that we have is Rave, and Rave hires beginner transcriptionists, like I promised you already. This is one very popular transcription company that every transcriber dreams of working with. Most of the people who work with Rave always boast of Rave good pay rates. However, you will need to pass their short transcription test to start working and making money. You can work as a transcriptionist, as a captioner, or a subtitler. Transcriptionists on Rave earn between $0 to $30 and $1.10 per minute. The pay for an audio hour is between $18 and $66. Captioneers at Rave earn between $0.54 to $1.10 per audio minute. Now, if you work for 30 audio hours in a month, you would earn between $540 to $1,980 as a transcriptionist. If you work as a captioneer,
you'll be earning between $972 to $1,980. And if you're a subtitler, you will earn between $2,700 to $5,400. Rave makes payment once per week via PayPal. If you know how to transcribe foreign language, working as a subtitler at Rave would be great for you. For you to sign up, all you have to do is scroll down to the very end and you will see sign up to become a Rave transcriptionist. And the locations that are eligible for these are people from Australia, Canada, Ireland, Mexico, New Zealand, Netherlands, South Africa, United Kingdom, United States, excluding California. So if you are in any of these states or country that you want to check out this website and start making cool money from home from this site. The third site that we have here is QuickTate. QuickTate recruits transcriptionists worldwide, but you must provide a tax identification number. Now, you transcribe voicemail messages, memos, letter, legal file, medical files, recording of phone calls, conference calls, and other audio file. QuickTate also audits, summarize, evaluate, and analyze audio recording and phone conversation. The rate of pay from this website is 0.0 per word, and this equals to 1 cent per every 2 words. If you're interested in becoming a transcriber here, all you have to do is to click on Call Transcriptionist, then scroll down, and under here that you see interested in becoming a transcriber, click here, fill in all the required details that is necessary, then go ahead to submit your application. And if you qualify, they will definitely reach out to you. The next website that we have is iDictate, and on this site you can do general transcription, medical transcription, legal transcription, law enforcement, insurance, class lecture, sermons, executive research, wealth management, conference call, author/writer, YouTube videos, and focus group. And all you have to do to become a transcriber here is to scroll down, and under here that you see interested in becoming a transcriber, all you have to do is to click here. And once you click on it, it brings you here. And the first thing you have to do is to create an account. You have to create an account. They would ask you to provide a reference. Please don't choose your family members as reference. You would also be required to take a quiz. After passing the quiz and the typing text, you'll be required to run a background check on you, which would cost you like about $20. So the background check is on you, not on the company. You do not need prior transcription experience. The test is what qualifies or disqualifies you from getting transcription jobs. Once you start earning on the platform, you'll be paid every Monday through PayPal. If this video has been helpful so far, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Simply hit on the like button, comment, or share this video. The fifth website we're going to be looking at is the Scribie. Scribie is a good company to work for as beginner because you get to learn on the job and make money in the process. They hire from every part of the world. I was looking at the top 25 country by certification on their site, and the US is one of them, Philippines, India, Kenya, South Africa, Malaysia, and the rest. So they do have transcribers from several companies. You would even see that from the company release. And the good thing is they pay really well. The pay from this website is very high. They pay transcribers $5 to $25 per audio hour. So if you transcribe a file that is an hour long, you will earn around $5 to $20. This means you get paid $0.5 to $2.5 for 6-minute file. Then they also pay you a monthly bonus of $5 for every 3 hours completed tasks that you do monthly. To get the 3 hours in a month, you need to work on 6-minute file each day. The bonus is paid on the first of each month, and it includes all approved files submitted previous month. And once your work is approved, the earnings are credited to your account. You can then withdraw your money anytime by submitting a withdrawal request. You can withdraw your money anytime. The advantage of working with this company is that there is no withdrawal limit. But to enjoy all of these benefits, you have to take a transcription test here. Now, to enjoy all of these benefits, you have to create an account here. Also scroll to the end and click on sign up, create your account. And once you take the transcription test and you pass, then you're on your way to like making substantial money at the end of every month. The last company we're going to be looking at is Bubble Type. It's an online company that offer audio to text service in market research. They have both transcription and translation jobs. And to work for Bubble Type as a transcriptionist, you need to have a solid understanding of English grammar and typography rules, possess excellent communication skill, and commit to meeting deadline. And you can see that for every transcription work that you do here, you're paid $0.20 per hour on an average, and you can earn substantial amount working on this website. You would need access to a computer with high-speed internet connection and a comfortable headset. Bubble Start pays transcription by audio minutes, not per working hour. So if you're interested in becoming a transcriptionist here, all you have to do is to come down to the site, fill their form, and they will get back to you. Now, keep in mind that they strive for consistency. So they need people who are very good with especially grammar, so that their work will still remain top-notch.
To check out other typing job websites, you can check out my previous video on easy typing jobs with no experience at all. And if you have not hit on the subscribe button up till now, hit on the subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video. Apparently, it helps YouTube to promote this channel and lead to growth. Let me know which of these websites you've tried out or you'll be trying out. And I look forward to reading your comments in the comment section.